Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to link Activision account to Xbox. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to connect your Xbox with Activision. Go ahead and launch your browser and open activision.com website. Once you are here, make sure to sign into your Activision account. After that, click on Profile. And then you will jump into your Activision profile settings page. Here make sure to select account linking and here scroll down and you will get Xbox. So to connect Xbox with your Activision, click on link account and click on continue. And now it may ask you to sign into your Xbox or Microsoft account. Once done, you will get this pop-up window. Here scroll down and click on accept. And once you've done this process, you will see your Xbox account has been linked with your Activision account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.